So I've been working on some decent days doing a little bit more molding on our whole house project. I was going to just wait till spring, but then I thought it's a good chance to use up some of the cutoffs I have. And the more I get done now, the less I need to do later. So we still have a leak right in here. I'm pretty sure I know where it's coming from. It's coming off the drip edge on the side of it. The stuff coming up through. We've stopped the stuff that was following the edge down through. Well, no, we haven't. We still got some coming down through, so that's very interesting. That might also fall along with this, though. So I am going to put that edge along there, and I'm hoping that's going to take care of this. I was going to do that anyways, but I just wanted to see if I could stop it without doing that. I think we know the answer to that. This all, I didn't do anything here except for start that edge. Now we need to do something here. We're going to come over, go up right there. Then we can remove the shutters. This shutter will stay the same. They're all accent shutters. This one needs to change because once we bring the window out to here, then this has to get moved over. So this needs to be shortened. So I need to figure that out, and that'll tell me how far I can come with the top piece there. Same way with this side. And then this we have on. So this is ready to go. So the only thing we need to do here is fix these two bad spots down in here. One's covered up with the granite right now, and the other one's over here. So I need to pull everything away from there and fix them. And then I have some more nailing along the end over here. And then I think that's all the nailing we have to do. So the truck did quit on me and ended up getting a new truck. Not sure if I'm going to revive the other one or not yet. So that was unexpected. Okay, that's about it for here. We're going to, decent days, we'll keep working on it. And then we'll be more ready for all the accent painting.